First off, let's look at the design differences. European trucks and American trucks are starkly different, and it all begins with their fundamental design. European trucks typically boast a cab-over-engine design, meaning the cab, or the driver's compartment, sits directly over the engine. This design allows for a more compact size, making it easier to maneuver through Europe's narrow and winding roads. It also provides the driver with a panoramic view, which can be a significant advantage in dense urban areas. On the other hand, American trucks usually follow a conventional design, where the cab is situated behind the engine. This design gives the trucks a more extended front end, which is why they are often referred to as nose trucks. This conventional design offers a few advantages of its own. For starters, it provides a smoother ride, as the engine's position allows for better distribution of weight. This can be particularly beneficial on the long, straight highways that are common in the United States. Furthermore, the conventional design provides more room for the engine, meaning these trucks can accommodate larger, more powerful engines. This additional power proves beneficial for hauling heavy loads over long distances. The conventional design also means there's more space in the cab for the driver, leading to increased comfort during those long hauls. However, the increased size and length of American trucks can be a disadvantage in more congested areas. Their length can make them more challenging to maneuver in tight spaces, and their raised cab position can limit visibility compared to the panoramic view offered by the cab-over-engine design of European trucks. In terms of safety, both designs have their strengths and weaknesses. The cab-over-engine design of European trucks places the driver closer to the point of impact in the event of a collision, while the conventional design of American trucks offers a degree of protection thanks to the engine acting as a buffer. So in terms of design, the European and American trucks are worlds apart. Now that we've covered design, it's time to shift gears and talk about functionality. Let's dive into the differences between European and American trucks regarding their operation and performance. European trucks are designed with the focus on maneuverability. You see, European cities often have narrow streets and tight corners, a legacy from the pre-automotive era. To cater to these conditions, European trucks are engineered to have a tighter turning radius, which allows them to navigate these spaces with relative ease. The cab-over-engine design, which we discussed in the design differences, also contributes to this maneuverability advantage. On the other hand, American trucks are built for the long haul. Literally. The United States has vast landscapes and long, straight highways. American trucks, with their conventional cab design, are equipped to handle these long-distance hauls comfortably. They provide a smoother ride over long distances, thanks to a longer wheelbase and the location of the cab behind the engine. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency. Generally, European trucks tend to be more fuel efficient. This can be attributed to stricter environmental regulations in Europe and the smaller, more aerodynamic design of European trucks. However, it's important to note that fuel efficiency can vary greatly depending on the specific make and model of the truck, as well as driving conditions. As for load capacity, American trucks often come out on top. The larger size and design of American trucks allow them to carry larger loads. This is particularly useful in the United States, where the transport of heavy goods across long distances is common. In summary, European trucks are designed for maneuverability and fuel efficiency, making them ideal for navigating through tight city streets and adhering to strict environmental standards. American trucks, conversely, are designed for long-distance hauls and larger load capacities, perfect for the vast landscapes and heavy transport needs of the United States. Whether it's navigating narrow city streets or cruising down a highway, each truck is uniquely suited to its environment. Lastly, we must consider the role of regulations in shaping these trucks. The governing bodies on both sides of the pond have different priorities and concerns, which directly impact the design and functionality of the trucks. In Europe, the regulations are primarily focused on the total length of the truck. This is why you'll often see the cab-over-engine design, where the cab sits directly over the engine. That's a clever solution to maximize cargo space without exceeding length restrictions. So, European trucks are designed to be compact and efficient, often resembling a flat-faced box on wheels. On the other hand, American regulations put a lot of emphasis on weight. The laws allow for a larger total weight, which leads to the creation of bigger, more powerful trucks. The conventional design, where the engine is in front of the cab, is a common sight on American roads. These trucks have a distinctive, elongated nose, providing extra space for larger engines and improving driver comfort. But it's not just about size and shape. These regulations also influence the truck's performance, fuel efficiency, and even the driver's working conditions. For instance, European laws mandate regular breaks for drivers, which has led to cabs designed for overnight stays. As you can see, regulations play a significant role in the differences between European and American trucks. And there you have it, the key differences between European and American trucks. We've delved into the distinctive design elements, explored how functionality varies across the Atlantic, and examined the differing regulations each must adhere to. From the streamlined European models built for narrow, winding roads to the robust American trucks designed for long-haul routes, each has its own unique charm. And with regulations shaping their evolution, these differences are here to stay. So next time you see a truck on the road, you'll know a little more about what makes it tick.